In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send tracking number to customers on Shopify. The goal of this tutorial is to get you set up with a shipping and tracking app in your Shopify admin, so your tracking information can be sent to customers in a simple and organized way. If you have customers waiting for updates on their orders, having tracking automatically handled can save you time and reduce confusion. To begin, you will open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are in the admin area, look at the left sidebar menu. This is where most of the settings and tools are located, so it is important to navigate there carefully. You will want to find the section labeled Apps. When you locate it, click Apps in the left sidebar menu. This takes you to the page where you can browse, install, and manage the applications that work with your store. After you click Apps, the screen may show you your installed apps or options to discover new apps. Next, you will use the search bar. In the Apps page, find the search bar and type the app name AfterShip. This is the keyword you need to locate the correct tracking solution quickly. After you type AfterShip, press Enter to run the search. Take a moment here to make sure the results match what you intended, since using the right app is the foundation for the rest of the setup. Now that the search results are shown, you are ready to install the app. Look for the AfterShip result in the list. Depending on your view, you may see an option that includes buttons for tracking or installation. Click on AfterShip Tracking, then you will choose Install, and you may see another prompt to confirm. Select Install App to complete the installation request. This part matters because it signals Shopify to add the app to your store, so you can start using it with your orders. As the installation runs, Shopify may take a moment to connect the app to your store. You may see a progress indicator or a confirmation message. If prompted to confirm permissions or allow access, review what is being requested and continue only if it aligns with what you want for tracking and customer updates. The key point is that AfterShip must be installed successfully before tracking numbers can be processed through the app. Once the app finishes installing, you should be able to return to the Apps area and see that AfterShip is now available for your store. At this stage, you have completed the setup required to bring the tracking tool into your Shopify environment. After installation, the app will be ready for the next phase, such as connecting it to your shipping workflow and making sure tracking details are delivered to customers. To recap, you first opened your Shopify admin, then navigated to the Apps section in the left sidebar. After that, you searched for AfterShip in the search bar and ran the search with Enter. Finally, you selected AfterShip Tracking, then clicked Install, and then chose Install App to bring the tracking app into your store. Each of these actions is necessary to ensure you are working with the correct integration in Shopify. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.